Somewhere right now, an IT professional is refreshing LinkedIn, watching AI write code faster than they can type, and wondering if their job title has an expiration date. If you've had that thought, stay right here, because in the next 5 minutes I'm going to give you the honest answer, not the panic clickbait one. Let's start with what's actually happening. AI tools today can write functions, debug errors, generate documentation, and even open pull requests on their own. A huge share of developers now use AI tools every single day for coding, debugging, and reviews. That's not a rumor. That's the current baseline of the industry. So yes, something big is shifting. But shifting and disappearing are not the same word. Here's the part most headlines skip. AI is incredible at producing code. It is not good at deciding what code should exist in the first place. It doesn't sit in a meeting and figure out that the client actually needs a completely different solution than what they asked for. It doesn't understand office politics, budget constraints, or why the legacy system nobody wants to touch still can't be replaced. Those are human problems wearing a technical disguise, and IT professionals solve them every day without even realizing that's the real skill. What is genuinely at risk is the narrow version of the job, the one where your entire value is typing syntax correctly. If your role begins and ends at write this exact script or fix this one bug, that task is absolutely being automated, and pretending otherwise won't help you. But most real IT jobs were never just that. They were troubleshooting under pressure, translating business needs into systems, securing infrastructure, and being the person who understands why something broke, not just how to patch it. The role that's emerging that isn't coder, it's orchestrator. Increasingly, the most valuable IT professionals are the ones directing AI agents, reviewing their output, catching the mistakes AI confidently makes, and making the judgment calls AI simply can't. Think of it like the shift from manual labor to operating machinery. The people who learned to run the machine didn't lose their jobs to it. They became more valuable because of it. There's also a trust problem nobody talks about enough. AI-generated code can look completely correct and still contain a security flaw or a subtle logic error that only a trained human eye catches. Companies that ship AI code without human review are already learning this lesson the hard way, and it's creating enormous demand for exactly the kind of experienced oversight that junior-level entry-only thinking can't provide. So who should actually be worried? People who refuse to touch these tools at all. Not because AI will replace them directly, but because someone else on their team who does use AI will simply outperform them, ship faster, and become the obvious person to keep around when budgets tighten. The risk isn't AI taking your job. The risk is falling behind someone who knows how to work with it. Here's the truth in one sentence. AI is not coming for IT professionals. It's coming for IT tasks that never needed a human's full judgment in the first place. And it's raising the bar for what valuable looks like in this field. So if you're in IT or trying to get in, the move isn't to compete with AI at typing speed. It's to become the person who can question its output, direct its work, and catch what it misses. That's a skill AI can't automate because it requires understanding, not just execution. If this gave you a clearer picture of where things are actually headed, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more no-hype breakdowns of what AI is really doing to the tech industry.